My dear students, in our first video of number system, we have discussed about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and how to find a number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the decimal representation of rational numbers. Every rational number p upon q can be expressed as a decimal on dividing p by q. मीन्स अगर न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड कर दें तो रेशनल नंबर डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. There are two types of decimal. First, terminating decimal. A decimal that ends after a finite number of digits is called a terminating decimal. Means, if in any rational number we divide the numerator by the denominator and after a number of steps the remainder comes 0, then such type of decimal is called a terminating decimal. We can understand it with the help of examples. The rational number is 1 upon 4. Here numerator is 1, denominator is 4. We divide 1 by 4. 1 is not divisible. Take a decimal and take 1 0 in the dividend. Now on dividing, we are getting 0 at the end. So the decimal received is 0.25, means 1 upon 4 equals 0.25. Since we get the remainder at last, remainder 0 at last, it means this decimal is the terminating decimal. We take another example, 3 upon 5. We divide 3 by 5 and at the end we are getting the remainder 0. The decimal obtained is 0.6, means 3 upon 5 equals 0.6, and 0.6 is a terminating decimal. Now one more example, 7 upon 20 is a rational number. We divide 7 by 20 and at the end we are getting the remainder 0. So the decimal so obtained, that is 0.35, is a terminating decimal. There is one important rule. A rational number p upon q is expressed as a terminating decimal only when the prime factors of q are 2 and 5 only. Means, एक तो ये कि हम न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करें, डिवाइड करके लास्ट में देखें जो डेसिमल आ रहा है वो टर्मिनेटिंग आ रहा है, रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है, या फिर एक और मेथड हमारे पास है, हम उसके डिनोमिनेटर के फैक्टर कर लें. डिनोमिनेटर के प्राइम फैक्टर्स में अगर 2 और 5 आ रहा है, ओनली 2 एंड 5, तब हम कहेंगे कि जो डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है रेशनल नंबर का वो टर्मिनेटिंग होगा. Now we will understand it with the help of one example. Without actual division, find which of the following rational numbers are terminating decimals. Three parts are there: 5 upon 32, 11 upon 24, 27 upon 80. Take 5 upon 32. There the numerator is 32. We find its prime factors and see the prime factors of q, that is prime factors of the denominator, are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times, that is 2 power 5. So we are getting only 2 in the prime factors of the denominator, so such rational number will represent a terminating decimal. Next example, 11 upon 24. The denominator is 24. we find the prime factors of 24 and we are getting 2 3 times and 3 ones, that is 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. Here we see that we are getting 3 in the prime factors of the denominator, that is other than 2 and 5. So the decimal such obtained will be a non-terminating decimal. Now take one more example, that is 27 upon 80. Here the denominator is 80. We find the prime factors of 80 and we are getting 2 4 times and 5 1 time, that is 2 power 4 into 5 power 1. It has only 2 and 5, so the decimal so obtained will be a terminating decimal. Now next type of decimal representation is repeating or recurring decimals. क्या होता है recurring decimal? A decimal in which a digit or a set of digits repeats periodically is called a repeating or a recurring decimal. Means जब आप किसी रेशनल नंबर को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तब उसमें कोई डिजिट रिपीट होने लगती है या ग्रुप ऑफ डिजिट्स यानी 2-3 डिजिट्स टुगेदर रिपीट होने लगती हैं, उस टाइप के डेसिमल को आप कहते हैं रिपीटिंग और रेकरिंग डेसिमल. इन अ रेकरिंग डेसिमल we place a bar over the first block of the repeating digits and omit the other repeating blocks. We can understand it with the help of examples. First is 2 upon 3. We divide 2 by 3. See, 2 is not divisible by 3. We put a decimal and take 1 0. 3 6 is 18. On subtraction, we are getting 2. Again, we can take 1 0. 3 6 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. Again, we can take 1 0. 3 6 is 18. 20 minus 18, 2. We see that 6 6 6 is repeating. So we can write it as 2 upon 3 equals 0.666 dot dot dot. We see that one digit 6 is repeating here. So we write 6 only once and put a bar over it and omit the other digits. So 2 upon 3 becomes 0.6 bar. Now we take another example, that is 3 upon 11. We divide 3 by 11. We put a decimal, take 1 0. 11 2 is 22. 30 minus 22, that is 8. Again we can take 1 0. 11 7 is 77. 80 minus 77 is 3. We can put 1 0 again. 11 2 is 22. 30 minus 22 is 8. Take 1 0. 11 7 is 77 and 80 minus 77 is 3. We see that 2727 is repeating, so it becomes 3 upon 11 equals 0.272727. 3 upon 11 equals 0.27 bar. Means 2727 बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है. हमने क्या किया, 27 के ऊपर बार लगा दिया और उसके बाद वाले जितने भी 27 है उन सारों को ओमिट कर दिया, छोड़ दिया. Now, length of period. Number of repeated decimal places in a rational number is called the length of its period. For example, 3 upon 11 equals 0.27 bar. means 27 is repeating here. So length of its period is 2 because the repeating block has the 2 digits. Now we'll learn to convert a repeating decimal in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q not equals 0. With the help of an example, express 0.3 bar in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q not equals 0. We take 0.3 bar as x. 3 bar means 3 repeat हो रहा है, तो हम इसको लिखेंगे कैसे? x equals 0.333, then dot dot dot. We see that the repeating block has only one digit, so we multiply equation 1 by 10. जितने भी डिजिट्स रिपीटिंग ब्लॉक में होंगे उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हमें 10, 100, 1000 और 10,000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. तो यह भी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 बिकम्स 10 इंटू एक्स 10x, और यह जब आप 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो ये डेसिमल 1 प्लेस शिफ्ट हो जाएगा एंड इट विल बिकम 3.33. आपको यहाँ एक और 3 दिखाई दे रहा है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इसमें डॉट डॉट का मतलब है इसमें बहुत सारे 3 आगे हैं, तो हमने इसमें 3 टाइम्स लिखा है. इट मीन्स द सेम एज 3.33. नो इक्वेशन 1 इज 10x इक्वल्स 3.333 डॉट डॉट डॉट, and the equation 1 is x equals 0.333. Now we separate the two. When we separate, then we change the sign of the lower terms. Here there is plus sign, it will become minus. Here also there is plus sign, it will become minus. 10x minus 1x is 9x. 3 minus 0 is 3. And 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 3 0. Means 9x equals 3 and x equals 3 upon 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So x equals 1 upon 3. We started with x equals 0.3 bar and we are getting x equals 1 upon 3. It means the value of 0.3 bar is 1 upon 3. Now we take another example. Now we take another example. Express 18.48 bar in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q not equals 0. So we suppose 18.48 bar as x. X equals 18.48 bar means 48 is repeating. So it becomes x equals 18.48 dot dot dot. We can take it as equation 1. We see that the repeating block has 2 digits, so we multiply x by 100. मैंने बताया था आपको अभी, जितने डिजिट्स रिपीटिंग ब्लॉक में होंगे उसी के अकॉर्डिंग 10, 100, 1000 और 10,000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो मल्टीप्लाई बाई 100 इंटू एक्स 100x. 18.48 बार 48 को आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 100 से, ये डेसिमल आपका यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, दैट इज 1848.4848 डॉट डॉट डॉट. Now we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So below it we write x equals 18.48 dot dot dot. Now subtract the two. 100x minus x is 99x. 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 1 3 and 18. So x equals 1830 upon 99. You can cancel them by 3, that is 610 upon 33. Here x is 610 upon 33 and we started with x equals 18.48 bar. It means the value of 18.48 bar is 610 upon 33. So that's all for this video. We will continue the same topic in the next video also, and you can practice some more questions in the PDF which is attached in the description box.